Before installing any new version of the SG2 software, you will first need to uninstall any previous versions. This app note will show you how to uninstall the SG2 software. We will be using the Windows 7 operating system. Open the Control Panel window by selecting Start, then select Control Panel. Next, select Uninstall a program. Scroll down, select the SG2 client software. Now select Uninstall. Select Yes to remove the SG2 client program. Next, you will see an Uninstall status screen. Then, select OK on the SG2 client uninstall window. After selecting OK, the SG2 client is no longer displayed on the program list, so it has been successfully uninstalled. At this point, you can cancel out of the control panel by selecting the red X.